Go.
Let's go, Batman! Let's go, Batman! Let's go, Batman! What you can do, Batman? You can do it! Hey everybody, MC Isabel. Today we are looking at fidget spinners. These are nice. And once again, I have my beautiful logo right next to me, of course. And yeah, let's get spinning and check things out. So these are the fidget spinners. I like this one since it's made out of titanium. It's very colorful, very pretty, and it's the fastest out of all of them. It lasts for long. This is the Batman one. It's like comes through third place when it comes to how fast it is. It's like so fast. Oh my god. Spin that. We have the Iron Man one. You might think this might be an original fidget spinner, but the thing is, the gold rim make it look like Iron Man, because that's the type of it. We all know this. Iron Man is red and gold. Let's spin him. Oh, we made one stop. Yeah, he doesn't spin for long. So let's just let him stop for himself. This is the blue and silver one. I don't know which one this is. What was that guy called again, Daddy?
War Machine.
War Machine, I think. Yeah, War Machine is blue and silver. Actually, my cousin has this one. So, I realized that. Ezekiel has this one. I have the other one. Now we both have that. And this one doesn't spin. This one doesn't spin. Let me try again. Okay, now it's spinning. So this is what I've been saying. When you do that, it stops. When you do this, it stays on. Do this, it stops. Don't know why, but it does. I don't know. So out of these three, I want to see how long those three spin. This one, I don't know what's wrong with this one, so let's just put that to the side. I see this one's already out, so let's just take that one out. Batman versus Titanium. Who knows who it will be? Who knows? Looking at it, it seems like metallic. Titanium will never stay on. But Batman also looks like he's never going to stay on. So who knows who's going to go out first? Realizing that titanium is slowing down more than Batman. This is odd. This usually lasts for like forever. Forever. Wow. They're both still spinning. They're both still spinning. Okay, I realized that they're both still spinning. I think they'll stop at the same time. Dude, they'll stop at the same time. Titanium won! Titanium, I told you this will last forever. It'll beat Batman in a race. So this is the winner from the... So that would be the end of my video of these awesome fidget spinners. This might be my favorite here. But yeah, leave a comment down below of telling you of what type of fidget spinner you have in your house. These are amazing though, they're so attractive. Bye!
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could be the hero, you get the gold, breaking all the records you thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride, and you're ever gonna know